Dear students of Beacon High School, today we are going to make an activity West out of Best on the account of Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October every year to mark the birth anniversary of the most prominent leader of the Indian independence struggle. Popularly of this day is to honor the iconic leader. It is said that Mahatma Gandhi had very few things: spectacles, sandals, a pocket watch, a small bowl, and plate. And interestingly, the fifth thing was a statues of three monkeys. Gandhiji's three monkeys are: the covering his eyes says see no evil. Second, covering his ear says hear no evil. Third, covering his mouth says speak no evil. So here I am going to teach you making a multi-purpose stand using three bottles. We are going to transform them into three monkeys of Gandhiji's. This stand you can use for many purposes.
Material required: maroon color paper, yellow ochre paper, white paper, scissors, cutter, black sketch pen, pencil, Fevicol, and three bottles. You are going to take three bottles of round shape in a small size. Here we go. Now first of all, we are going to cut this bottle from the center. While cutting, be careful, or you can take help of your elders. You are going to cut this one with the cutter. So be careful. Slowly you are going to cut this bottle from the center. See that you are using cutter. While using cutter, be careful, or you can take help of your parents. Slowly you are going to go from the center. We are going to cut this bottle. In this way, this part is also useful. You can use some another time. Now this way we are going to cut the bottle in this shape. Got it? After cutting all the three bottles in one shape, we are going to take the measurement of this one till the border. Now this border is coming till 10, but you are going to keep extra upside 2 centimeters, so that whatever extra part is going to come off the paper, it will go inside. So this part is sharp, it will become smooth. Got it? So here my measurement is 13. Whatever measurement is coming of that bottle, cut bottle, you are going to take that one, and you are going to take that same measurement on the paper, and you are going to cut the paper in the strip. Take the measurement on the paper, and then first we are going to draw the line with the help of scale. First draw the line. With the scissor or with the cutter, you are going to cut the strip of the paper. Be slow while cutting. In this way we are going to use cutter, or you can use scissors. This way we have cut the strip of maroon paper. Now take the bottle which we have cut. Now you are going to take the measurement how much paper we need to roll this bottle. Now first take the measurement of the paper, how much we need to roll the bottle, and then mark that one with the pencil, and then we are going to cut this one with the help of scissor or with the help of cutter. Now our strip is ready. Now first of all we are going to apply Fevicol on the first corner in this way, and then on the bottle we are going to wrap it. See that upside we are going to leave extra part. In this way both the corners you are going to wrap. This side you are going to, upside you are going to keep extra paper so that it will go inside. Now slowly you are going to roll it in this way. Now on this corner also you are going to apply Fevicol. Slowly you are going to roll this paper. See that all the corners should come straight, otherwise your paper will go up and down. Slowly you are going to paste this one on the paper. In this way it will be pasted. In this way it will become. Now whatever extra part is remained here, this extra part, extra paper, you are going to give small cuts to that one. In this way, small cuts you can give. After that, after giving the cuts, just you are going to insert this part inside. In this way, all the parts will go. In this way, slowly let all the sides will go inside. And then press it neatly so that this corner will become smooth. If you want, you can apply Fevicol inside also if it is needed, or there is no need of to apply the Fevicol inside. Now in this way your one bottle will be completed. Like this same way all three. Here our 3 bottles are ready now. Now take yellow ochre paper. Now the bottle which we have wrapped with maroon color, you are going to take a measurement of the same, because we are going to do the most important thing is that monkey face. So take a measurement, accurate, correct measurement. You are going to mark it with the pencil here, and the same way we are going to cut the strip of that. After taking a marking, you are going to cut the strip of the same. And we are going to make the shape of a monkey face that I will show you. Now how much we need for the face, that measurement we are going to take. This much face we are going to take for the face. We are going to cut that strip. Then with the pencil you are going to fold this one in the center. After folding in the center, you will get one center line. Then one side you are going to make, the shape of the monkey. So in this way you are going to draw the shape of the monkey face. Half you are going to make it dark, and again fold that paper and just rub it with the back side of the pencil on the same line which you have drawn. So the print will come here. This print you can see here. The print you are going to draw with the pencil. Now in this way, same 3 faces you are going to make it. 3 faces for 3 bottles. After making a pencil work, you are going to make outline. You are going to draw outline with a black sketch pen. Slowly. In this way, 3 faces will be ready. Now you are going to cut all the 3 faces with the scissor. Slowly you are going to use the scissor. In this way, cut the outline. Now these 3 faces are ready. Now we will come for the ears and for the eyes. Now take a maroon paper. You are going to cut one strip of that one of any measurement. On that one, 6 ears and 6 eyes it will come. So that much paper you are going to take, and you are going to cut the strip of that one, and you are going to make a drawing of ear. Now according to the face, how much big ear you want, you are going to take the measurement of that one, and you are going to give the shape of the ear. In this way you are going to give the shape of the ear. Like this, 6 ears you are going to cut. For the eyes, first we are going to make this shape. 3 shapes we are going to make. Draw like this. On the face this will come, and then on this one the eyes will come. So first of all, draw this shape 3 times. The same one it should be. And then we are going to cut this one. With the help of scissor, you are going to cut this 3 parts. In this way our shapes are ready. Now this is for the ears and this is for the eyes. Now we are going to make eyeballs. So for that one, take white paper and draw the eyeball. In the same way, you are going to make 6 eyeballs colored with the black. Same way you are going to make 6 eyeballs like this, and you are going to cut it and keep it ready. Now with the scissor we are going to cut this one slowly. 6 we are going to cut like this. Just I am showing you. In this way 6 should be there. Single you are going to make it. Slowly you are going to do outline, you are going to cut it. In this way, the same way another one. This way our 6 eyeballs are ready. Now we will come for the hand. Now take yellow ochre paper. Now here also 6 hands you are going to draw. You are going to make see the size of the face, and on that, according to that, you are going to make the shape of the hand. A simple one we are going to make. This is the thumb. First finger, second finger, third finger, and this one is 5th finger, small one. And then the same way you are going to make 6 hands like this, and you are going to make outline with the black sketch pen and cut it and keep it ready. Here in this way all the parts are ready now. Now we are going to stick this to the face. One face I will show you how to do this one. Now take one shape of the face. Now this part it will come here. Just I will show you. Take a Fevicol, put it here, and just in the center on the top you are going to paste this one. In this way it will come. After that you are going to take 2 eyes, just put 2 drops of the Fevicol and take 2 eyeballs and paste it here. In this way you are going to paste. After this you are going to take 2 ears, on the corner you are going to apply the Fevicol and just paste it one side first, and the same way take another one, apply the Fevicol to the corner and paste it here. After completing this one, what you are going to do is that take a piece of yellow ochre paper and just cut that one in these two parts, small two parts, and that will come on the ears. So it will look more nice and attractive. In this way you can apply that one. The same way, our three faces are completed of the monkey. Now we are going to take the bottle where we are going to paste the face of the monkey. Take the bottle, take one face. Now this will be the size of the face here. It will come like this. Now just apply the Fevicol in the center. This way. Take the face and just hold it here. In this way. After getting it dry, you are going to paste it like this. And just the ears will come in this way. Just I will show you. Let it dry. Keep here. Now they are ready. The most important thing is now the first stand we are going to take. Now the first monkey says, "See no evil." So the hand will take a Fevicol, put a drop here. The first monkey says that, covering his eyes. In this way you are going to cover his eyes. And the monkey says, "See no evil." Covering his eyes, the first monkey says, "See no evil." In this way we are going to paste the eyes for the first stand. And then second one, we are going to take it. The second one says, covering his ears. Now you are going to paste this one hand here on the ear. So put a Fevicol here and cover his ears. Both the sides. In this way you can show. The second monkey says, covering his ears, "Hear no evils." Now the third one says, covering his mouth. So just put a Fevicol here, a dot, and cover his mouth. In this way. Now here our three monkeys of Gandhiji's are ready. Now here you can use this one as for keeping the sketch pen one. You can keep the sketch pen. You can keep the pen in one stand in this way. You can keep scale, pencil, cutter, anything in another one. You can use this stands for any purpose. So bachcho, this Hindi rhymes for you of Mahatma Gandhi's three monkeys and the message he used to impart using their example of how one should not encourage lies, hurtful speech or any wrongdoing.
दूसरा कहता है कभी बुरा ना कहना, सच्ची बातों से सबका दिल जीतना, सच्ची बातों से सबका दिल जीतना। तीसरा कहता है कभी बुरा ना सुनना, तीसरा कहता है कभी बुरा ना सुनना, झूठ का साथ कभी ना देना, झूठ का साथ कभी ना देना, अच्छे काम हमेशा करना, दुनिया को खूबसूरत बनाना, अच्छे काम हमेशा करना, दुनिया को खूबसूरत बनाना।
थैंक यू बच्चों।